How to activate Best Buy credit card online. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Kriya Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, you want to type in Activate Best Buy credit card. Once done, you will see this Best Buy credit card registration. Click open that link. Once you land onto this page, on your left hand side, you will see please verify your card information. Now enter your card number at this box. Again, enter your name as it appears in your card. Enter your security code. And lastly, your last 4 digits of the primary card holder's SSN. Once you are all done, go ahead and click on verify. And just like so, this is how you activate your card. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.